Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to Leadville today to get Blakely a Melly. Yeah, we're on our way and we're gonna get some coffee and some food. I'm prepared to see how beautiful the drive is. I love Colorado so much, but yeah, I'll see you guys there. Guys, we got our food. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm gonna do a taste test, okay? I'm so hungry right now. And they had gluten-free. Simply divine.
Or a department store. Both. Isn't that a department store? Jimbo's or something? Give me a rating. What's your microphone?
7 out of 10. Actually, 8 or 8.5. Guys, she's made a decision. What do you think?
I think I'm very happy right now, and I think I'm very happy because Isaac's getting one too, and she said she wasn't gonna get one.
Hey guys, Blakely and Isley got their Mellies, and now we're going to a lake with mountains in the background to watch the sunset and eat our leftover pizza. It's gonna be so pretty, and it's been really cold, but now we have some lovely melanzanas to keep us warm. It's so beautiful here. I love Leadville. It's so pretty. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've come on here and done a vlog, but we had gone to Leadville last week, which you saw right before this. Today is Sunday, March 1st, which is crazy. I can't believe February is already over. I'm with Lydia. We're about to go have a little picnic on a hike at an overlook. Also, if you're wondering what's going on right here, on Friday, I went skiing and stabbed myself in the eye with my ski poles. That's what that is from. Let's go to our campfire spot. So we couldn't find any s'more sticks, so we're just gonna have to make some because I was annoyed and couldn't find any. Anyways, yeah.